Good morning, Bhaktavachalam Vidyashram. Today we are going to do walking variations to activate our pelvic floor muscles. Before going to the exercises, we are going to stretch our whole body muscles. Now I am doing a latissimus dorsi stretch, and after that hamstring stretch. And after finishing these stretches, kindly go for the walking 10 to 15 minutes. Warm up is very important. This is the calf muscle stretch and front thigh stretch. At least hold the stretches for 10 to 12 seconds. This is the IT band stretch and gluteus muscle and piriformis stretch. Deltoid stretch and tricep stretch and forearm stretch, brachioradialis stretch, trapezius stretch, thyroid stretch, sternocleidomastoid stretch. And commonly we are going to do whole body forward bend stretch. The stretches for posterior muscles. In the single stretch, gluteus, low back, hamstring, popliteal, gastrocnemius, these all muscles will stretch. After finishing the stretch, go for the walk. And after we are going to start these exercises. Inside your home itself, 10 to 15 meters or 20 meters, you can finish all these exercises. First is high knee. Lift your knee, and knee should be in the L shape. While taking up, exhale. While coming down, inhale, just wash the foot, and again you can walk. I say you 15 to 20 meters. Choose the distance and walk this. Up and down is one repetition. Once you finish the repetition, you can give 30 seconds recovery, and after you can go for 3 to 5 sets. So recovery is very important. These exercises will improve your pelvic floor muscles mobilizations. And this is the front SLR, straight leg raise, like marching, army march. So lock your knee and take your heel, and while going down, place the heel. While raising up, exhale. While raising up, exhale. Just watch the foot how he was doing. Exhale, exhale, exhale. So breathe in, breathe out is very important. When you are taking a proper breathe in and breathe out, the muscle won't get a cramp. So avoiding the cramp, you can avoid the injuries and unwanted muscle loading. And after this, you are going to do a side walk, side SLR. So lock your knee and take your legs to the straight to the leg, and it will activate your piriformis muscle and IT band muscle, and slightly the glute muscle will support you. So adductor is releasing your leg to overstretch. So flexibility also work here. While taking up, exhale, tuck your core, don't give arch in the spine, look straight. While taking up, exhale, open your mouth and exhale. That is very important. So this is the side SLR. So it will increase your mobilization in the pelvic region. And after this, we are going to do a back kick, like locking the knee, and we are going to kick the leg. Just watch it how he was doing. Lock the knee and just front the step and just kick, back kick. Yes, like a donkey kick. Yes. Exhale, exhale, exhale. It will increase your strengthening in the glute muscle, hamstring, as well as a low back. So one of the best exercise for low back. And after this we are going to do a pelvic open exercises. So one of the best for adductor opening. So helps to hip mobilization, free mobilization. So one of the great exercise. Yeah. Good. Great, keep going on. Yes. Awesome. Yeah, very good. So this is all the variations which you are going to do, and after finishing this, shake your legs and everything and do whole body stretches again and finish your day. That's all. Thank you for watching the videos. Have a great day. Thank you.